Hi maths, this is our very second class in maths with Divya. So let's start without wasting any time. So as we have discussed in the previous class that we are going to discuss number system. We will be discussing number system as our first chapter. In number system there are various topics which is included and I have added few more topics. Basically two things we have discussed: connectivity, visualization, and my motive is base to board. So fundamental things, all the fundamental things concepts we will be discussing. Apart from all the fundamental things, we will be discussing the higher concept also, and we will interlink all the concepts. So without wasting any time, let's start our first lesson, first chapter, which is number system. Yeah. So first chapter is our number system. What it is, beta? Yes. Number system. Very good. So number system. While discussing number system, we'll discuss first thing. The first and foremost thing is your digits. What it is? Digits. These are the fundamental things we are going to discuss. Digits. While discussing digits, as we all know, how many digits are there? Yes, tell me. So the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are the 10 digits and we will be using these 10 digits to form numbers. What we will use? We will use these 10 digits. हम ये इन्हीं सब 10 digits को लेके numbers बनाएंगे, will form numbers and we'll be discussing about different types of numbers and all. So first thing is these are the digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So basically we can make any digit. Suppose a 1 digit number, these are your 1 digit number. 2 digits number, any 2 digits you can take. 78, 2 digits number. Any 3 digit number, we can take 3 digits. 134. Yes. Any 4 digit number, we can say your any 4 digits number. 1, 3, 7, 8. It is a 4 digit number because we have used 4 digits to make a number. These are the 4 digits. Okay, sir, you have used different types of digits. Yes, मैंने क्या किया बेटा? Different digits I have used. So I can use the same digit also. I can use 1, 2, 1, 2 to make a 4 digit number. Yes, 1, 2, 1, 2. I have used only 2 digits. One is 1, another one is 2. So I have made 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Understood beta? Very good. So these are the digits. 0 to 9. These are the numbers. That may be 78, 134, 1378, 1212. Anything like that. Getting what I am saying? These are the digits and numbers. Now, let me tell you one thing. What it is? 1 digit number starts from 0 and set 9. Yes, sir. This is the 1 digit number starting from 0 to 9. 2 digit number starting from 10 to 99. 3 digit number starting from 100 to 999. 4 digit number starting from 1000 to 9999 and so on. So basically you all know these are the fundamental basic things, that 1 digit smallest number, 2 digits smallest number, 3 digit smallest number, 4 digit, 5 digit. In many of the books you will find 0 or starting from 1. So basically we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 digit smallest number. These are your 10, 100, 1000 and largest number. These are your 9, 99, 999 and 9999. Very good. So this is the thing about digits and we are using digits to make numbers. Yes, beta, very good. Now another thing that I want to say, that is about your different numeration system. What it is, beta? Different numeration system. Let's discuss about different numeration system. So there are, as we have discussed, as we know that there are 2 types of number system. कितने type के number system है बेटा? 2 type के. One is your Indian numeration system, another one is your international numeration system. Yes, 2 types of number systems are there. One is your Indian number system, another one is your international number system. Yes, beta. Yes, one is your Indian number system, another one is your international number system. So we'll be discussing in Indian number system how many places are there, what are the name of different places, and in international number system or numeration system what are the places, name of the places, and if places के ऊपर कुछ periods है कि नहीं, तो periods के अंदर कौन कौन से places include होते हैं. These are the two things that we are going to discuss as per Indian place value system and international place value system. Getting what I am saying, beta? Yes. So let's start discussing Indian place value system. So Indian place value system. What we are going to discuss? Indian place value system. Yeah. So can I take one number? Then only by taking that number we'll be discussing different places and periods and all. Yes. Suppose I am taking one number. It is let's take a 9-digit number. Let's take one 9-digit number. So it is 1 3 7 8 9 4 2 1 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, it is a 9-digit number. So as per Indian numeration system or as per Indian place value system, what are the different places? As per Indian place value system, now we are going to discuss. Yes, brother. So the first one is your ones place. Your ones place. Yes. So the second one is your tens place. Yes, very good. Third one is your hundreds place. Fourth one is your thousands place. Fifth one is your ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Then what it is? It is your 10,000. 10,000. Yes. This one is your lakhs. This one is your 10 lakhs. This one is your crores. And this one is your 10 crores. What it is, beta? 10 crores. Getting what I am saying? So this is a 9-digit number and we have started from the right towards the left. One is your ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and it is your 10 crores. So this is a 9-digit number, and as per Indian place value system, these are the different places, name of the places of different digits as per Indian place value system. So what is the first and smallest place value, smallest place of as per Indian place value system? Can anyone say? Yes, beta, it is your ones. And if it is a 9-digit number, which one is the largest? It is your 10 crores. Getting what I am saying, beta? Basically, in almost all the books, it is up to 9th places. That's why I have taken a 9-digit number. Otherwise, Arav, 10 Arav, Kharav, 10 Arav. In this way, the number system goes. ऐसे ही number system चलता है बेटा. So Indian place value system में समझ में आया? What are the different places? Name of the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. Getting what I am saying? This is as per Indian place value system or Indian numeration system. Now let's take another example of international place value system or international numeration system. Yes, madam. So as per international numeration system, same thing we are going to do. So now we will take another 9-digit number. Yes, beta, we will take another 9-digit number. Say 7, 8, 9, 4, 1, 3, 5, 2, 7. A number starting with 7 ends with 7. 7, you know, na? What is 7? Yes, beta. So starting with 7 ends with 7. How many? This number is of how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9-digit number. Yes, this is a 9-digit number. So now we will be discussing same thing as per international place value system. We will see what are the names of different places. Getting what I am saying, beta? So the first place is your ones place as usual. This one is your tens place. Yes, beta. This one is your hundreds place. This one is your now. The thing starts. Thousand place. This one is your 10,000. This one is your 100,000. This one is your million. This one is your 10 million. This one is your 100 million. Again I am saying beta, ध्यान से सुनना. This is a 9-digit number, and as per international place value system, what we are doing? We are just finding out the name of different places as per international place value system. So the name of the first place is ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This H, TH, TTH, HTH, M, TM, HM. These are the abbreviations that we use for different places. Getting what I am saying? For ones also we use O. What we use? O. For tens we use T. Okay. These are the abbreviations that we use. Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Getting what I am saying, madam? Clearly understood? Now I am telling you one thing. Suppose this is the number and someone will come and ask you, beta, what is the place value of 1 or 7, 8, 9, 4, anything like that. So that also we will be discussing. That also we will discussing about place value and face value. So you clearly understood beta Indian place value system and international place value system. I hope all of you must have understood up to 9 digits. So after million, billion is there, trillion is there, but in most of the books it is up to 9 digits. That's why I have discussed up to 9 digits. Getting what I am saying? अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ या ना कमेंट बॉक्स में बता देना बेटा. So this is all about international place value system. अभी मैं आपको एक चीज बताने जा रहा हूँ. It is clearly linked और associated with India international. हम अभी क्या करेंगे? इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम और इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम को आपस में जोड़ के कंपेयर करके देखेंगे. विल कंपेयर क्या बेटा? So Indian and international. Yes. Suppose this is your Indian place value system and this is your international place value system. This is your Indian place value system and this is your international place value system. So how many digits we have discussed? We have discussed up to 9 digits. We have discussed up to 9 digits. So this one is your first. Let's take it second. Let's take it third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and this one is your ninth. Getting what I am saying? Yes, madam. As my students know that I am one of the best artists, I am having the best handwriting. So no, I am not encouraging bad handwritings. देख रहे हो ना गंदा handwriting का फायदा? तो handwriting सुधारो अपनी. So this is Indian place value system and international place value system. But can you tell me one thing that as per Indian place value system, first Indian place value system का हम discuss करेंगे. As per Indian place value system, what is the sequence? देखो यहाँ पे. First one is your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crores, 10 crores. Same thing we'll be discussing here. We'll be writing as per Indian place value system. It is ones. Let's change the color. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. As per international place value system, what are the places we have discussed better? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Very good. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Getting what I am saying? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. This one is your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. अच्छा सर यहाँ हम लिख लिए, उसके बाद क्या करना है? बताता हूँ क्या करना है. एक चीज बेटा नोटिस करना हमेशा. Whenever we are converting from one place we are changing from one place to another place, one place to another place, one place to another place. That means suppose we are converting from ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands, thousands to 10,000, 10,000s to 100,000. What exactly we are doing? Can you say? Can you say? Yes, exactly. We are multiplying 10. We are multiplying 10. एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस की तरफ हम जब भी जा रहे हैं हम 10 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वंस प्लेस का वैल्यू कितना हो गया बेटा? 1. टेंस प्लेस का वैल्यू कितना हो गया? 10. हंड्रेड्स प्लेस का वैल्यू कितना हो गया बेटा? 100. दैट मीन्स we are multiplying 10, we are increasing by 10 times. That means 1 में 10 मल्टीप्लाई करें तो क्या हो गया? 10. 10 में 10 मल्टीप्लाई करें तो क्या हो गया? 100. 100 में 10 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 1000. Easy. Getting what I am saying? So अब से वो वाला फंडा छोड़ देना. एक एक प्लेस जाएंगे तो एक एक जीरो ऐड कर लेना. Yes, जीरो तो ऐड करना, बट उसके पीछे का कॉन्सेप्ट भी समझ जाना कि we are getting increased by 10 times. We getting 10 गुना ज्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं हम बस. That's the simple concept. Okay, this is a kind of questions. Come. Another one, let me tell you. Okay, as per Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundreds are equal. In place of ones, ones is there. Tens, tens is there. Hundreds, hundreds is there. Thousands, thousands is there. 10,000, 10,000 is there. But in case of lakhs, as per Indian place value system, which is 1 lakh, same thing. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम, इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में क्या हो गया बेटा? 100,000. देख रहे हो ना, ये इक्वल हो रहा है, सेम प्लेस पे आ रहा है. गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? 10 lakhs में क्या आ रहा है? मिलियन. तो 10 lakhs क्या है? एज पर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में अगर इफ समथिंग इज 10 lakhs, आई एम हैविंग 10 lakhs मनी. यस, एंड समवन एल्स विल कम एंड से आई एम हैविंग ओनली 1 million मनी. नहीं, मेरे पास ज्यादा पैसे हैं. आई एम हैविंग 10 lakhs, यू आर हैविंग ओनली 1 million. So who is having more? No one is having more, beta. All of them are having equal. Getting what I am saying? Whatever amount I am having, सामने वाला जो आके बोल रहा है कि I am having 1 million, he is also having the same amount of money. Getting what I am saying? So clearly understood why 10 lakhs is equals to 1 million. Then suppose I will say, अच्छा मेरे पास 1 crore रुपया है. I am having only 1 crore of rupees, and someone will come from the front. क्या बोल रहे हो मैथ्स विद दिव्य सर, आपके पास 1 करोड़ है, मेरे पास तो 10 million है. सो वेदर आई विल बी सैड, मुझे उस टाइम में क्या होना चाहिए? दुखी होना चाहिए कि उसके पास 10 million हो गया और मेरे पास सिर्फ 1 करोड़ ही है? नहीं बेटा, 1 crore is equals to 10 million. Getting what I am saying? Clearly understood? This is the thing we are comparing. So if in exam one question will come, if anyone will come and ask that which one is greater, 1 crore is or 10 million, so that case you have to think. अच्छा सर क्या बोले थे मैथ्स विद दिव्य यूट्यूब चैनल में, करोड़ के साथ 10 million सेम होता है. कोई भी सामने से आके अगर बोले कि मेरे पास 10 million है, तेरे पास 1 करोड़ है, तो उसको बोलना है बेटा 10 1 लगाने से नहीं हो रहा है. यहाँ पे इंडियन सिस्टम में मेरे पास 1 करोड़ है, इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम में तेरे पास 10 million है. सेम इज विथ 10 crores and 100 million. Getting what I am saying? All of you understood? Yes, beta. So this is the comparison between Indian numeration system and international numeration system. As per Indian numeration system, remember this is very easy to remember, beta. From the like small classes we are studying ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. As per international place value system, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. One thing came to my mind. Let me tell you. अच्छा, are you finding any similarities? कहाँ similarities सर? बताता हूँ मैं सर कहाँ पे है similarities. Okay. In Indian, first let's discuss about Indian place value system. Indian place value system में क्या हो गया बेटा? First place goes to ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. ओके, ये हो गया फर्स्ट, ये हो गया सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ, एट एंड नाइन्थ. सो देयर आर 9 प्लेसेस नो. अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी वन थिंग? ये फर्स्ट 3 को अगर हम छोड़ दें, 1, 10 और 100 को सपोज लिव इट, भूल जाते हैं अभी इन तीनों को, ठीक. उसके बाद जरा देखना बेटा, 1000 और 10,000 कॉमन क्या है? थाउजेंड्स। लैक्स और 10 लैक्स में कॉमन क्या है? लैक्स। करोड़ एंड 10 करोड़ में कॉमन क्या है? करोड़। Getting what I'm saying? So basically beta, always remember that up to 9 places in Indian place value system or Indian number system, there are 4 periods. First one is your ones period. Second one is your thousand period. Third one is your lakhs period. Fourth one is your crores period. Getting what I'm saying? Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. ये these are called what? These are called your periods. These are called your periods. So first period क्या हो गया बेटा? Ones period. नहीं सर, first period तो मैथ्स का पीरियड होता है, हमेशा फर्स्ट पीरियड ही मैथ्स पीरियड होता है, और बारिश हो धूप हो मैथ्स टीचर तो पहुंच ही जाते हैं। अरे उस हिसाब से नहीं देखना है बेटा। पीरियड्स, प्लेसेस एंड पीरियड्स, दीज आर कॉल्ड व्हाट? दीज आर कॉल्ड प्लेसेस, दीज आर योर पीरियड्स। फर्स्ट पीरियड इज योर वंस पीरियड, then thousands period, then lakhs period, then crores period. So as per Indian place value system, in ones period how many places are there? I told you na, 3. Ones, tens, 100. As per thousands period how many places are there? 2. As per lakhs period, as per Indian place value system, in lakhs period how many places are there? 2. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores may be 2 crores and 10 crores. So 3 2 2 2. Getting what I am saying? कैसे याद रखना है इसको बेटा? 3 2 2 2. Getting what I am saying? 3 2 2 2 मिला के कितना हो गया? 9 9. These are 9 places ना? Getting what I am saying? Ones period में आ रहे हैं ones, tens, 100. Thousands period में thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period में lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores period में crores and 10 crores. अच्छा सर, इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में भी तो होना चाहिए ना? पक्का होना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं होना चाहिए? चलो इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में भी देखते हैं। वहां पे भी हमको कुछ इस तरह की, जैसे कि थाउजेंड्स में 1000 10,000, जैसे लैक्स में लैक्स 10 लैक्स, जैसे क्रोर्स में क्रोर्स एंड 10 क्रोर्स कॉमन मिल रहा है, वैसे नाउ विल सी इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम वैसे कुछ कॉमन मिल रहा है कि नहीं? दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस। देखो बेटा, so now we'll be discussing about international place value system. What it is? इंटरनेशनल। बड़े लोग इंटरनेशनल की बात कर रहे हैं, चलो बात करते हैं। इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम और एज पर इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम, नाउ 9 places we have discussed up to 9 places. Yes बेटा, so let's start. First one is your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Getting what I am saying? Okay, one very important thing that came to my mind, jokes apart, yes, it is just out of context. Let me tell you one thing. The last period of Indian place value system is what? It is crores, no? Crores is C and TC. Like one is crores, we use C for crores and we use TC for 10 crores. One of the student was there. एक बहुत छोटी सी प्यारी सी बच्ची थी, बहुत साल पहले, लाइक 3-4 साल पहले, when I used to teach him, और वो बहुत अच्छी पढ़ती थी, मैथ्स में बहुत अच्छी करती थी, ओवरऑली वो बहुत अच्छी लड़की थी। Whenever I was feeling like teasing her, I used to say, क्या हुआ लास्ट इंडिया, एंड शी वाज लाइक, ऐसा था कि वो याद नहीं रख पा रही थी ये crores and 10 crores, तो आई द एब्रिविएशंस, सो आई यूज्ड टू टीज हर लाइक, क्या टीसी लेगी? TC means I was doing this to make her remember that TC stands for 10 crores. तो वो बोलती थी नहीं नहीं सर TC नहीं लेना है मुझे, तो this is what we used to do. Okay, jokes apart, I thought of sharing. I just while discussing this thing, she came to my mind. That particular funny thing came to mind, so I share. Okay, beta. Then as per international place value system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. अच्छा, तो ये तीनों को यहाँ पे भी छोड़ देते हैं, चलो छोड़ दिए। उसके बाद जरा चेक करना बेटा, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, 100 मिलियन, तो कॉमन क्या हो गया? इन तीनों में 1000, इन तीनों में मिलियन। गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो इट इज योर 1000 पीरियड, इट इज योर मिलियन पीरियड, and as usual it is your once period. Getting what I am saying? So in case of international place value system, or as per international place value system, we can clearly say one thing, beta, that in once period, these are the periods, no? We have discussed ones, thousands, million. After that also periods are there, billion, trillion. So in ones period, how many places are there? 3. In thousands period, 3. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. In millions period, how many places are there? 3 places are there. Million, 10 million and 100 million. Getting what I am saying? I hope you people are able to understand properly and clearly what I want to say. Getting what I am saying? So हम वो सब चीजें नहीं कर सकते हैं, लाइक पूरा का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट में ही फोकस करेंगे बेटा. जितना भी पढ़ेंगे, जितना टाइम भी पढ़ेंगे, प्रोडक्टिवली we will use. We will not discuss any other things. These are the concepts as per international place value system. Getting what I am saying? All of you are able to clearly understand. If you are able to understand, if you want everyone to understand, you can let me know in the chat box, comment box, and any other concept also you want to understand, then also you can tell me. And don't forget to share with your friends. I'm not unable to connect to all my students, but you can connect to all of your friends. Okay, got it. So we have discussed two things, beta. As per Indian place value system also we discussed, as per Indian international place value system, that also we'll discuss. Now we'll do two questions. If you will be able to solve those two questions, then I'm telling you, this Indian numeration system and international numeration system, you understood properly. Getting what I'm saying? Let's go. So the first question, the number is 7879432. 7879432. Yes, 7879432. I hope it is visible. So my question is simply find all the places, and also don't forget to mention the period. Also you have to mention the places, and also you have to mention the periods. So first one is your beta. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Solve as per Indian place value system, huh beta? This is your 7879432. The number is of having digits 7879432. Yes, beta. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You have to mention the places. You have to mention. You have to tell the name of the places as well as they belong to which period. Yes, beta. So undoubtedly, first one will be ones period. Yes. Second one will be ones place. Second one is tens, 100, 1000. Then beta 10,000. Then lakhs. Then TL stands for 10 lakhs and crores. Yes, this is what we have done. Now you have to mention which period they belong to. So first 3 always they belong to ones period. Yes, beta. Second 2 thousand period. Third 2 lakhs period, and last one is crores period. Getting what I am saying? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. These are the places. These are the period they belong to. Getting what I am saying? All of you understood properly? Clearly understood, na beta? Yes. Next we will be discussing about what? Next we will be discussing about international number system. Same question we'll do. As per international place value system, as per international numeration system or international place value system, I am writing one number 7894395. 7894395. Again I am giving you 1 minute. Previous question was for 2 minutes. This is for 1 minute. Tens, hundreds, same. 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Very easy. Getting what I am saying? Clearly beta. Now which period they belong to? Ones, tens, 100 मिलके बनाएंगे ones period. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 मिलके बनाएंगे 1000 period. Million, 10 million मिलके बनाएंगे million period. Getting what I am saying beta? All of you are able to understand clearly. पिछले like last time we have discussed as per Indian place value system, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Now we have discussed ones, thousands, million. वहां पे क्या था, 3 2 2 2, यहाँ पे क्या है बेटा, 3 3 3. Every period is having 3 places as per international place value system, and as per Indian place value system, first period that is ones period, it is having 3 places, and rest all other periods they are having 2 places. अच्छा, 3 2 3 3 3 से एक चीज याद आ रहा है ना, बताता हूं क्या याद आ रहा है. सपोज ए नंबर दैट वी आर राइटिंग इज 9 7 8 4 3 5 9 6 1. Same number again I am writing 9 7 8 4 3 5 9 6 1. Yes sir, same number you have written twice. Yes, I know, same number I have written 2 times. So in the very first number, in the very first thing what we will do, first नंबर में हम करेंगे एज पर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम, सेकेंड नंबर में हम करेंगे एज पर इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. क्या करेंगे, बताता हूं क्या करेंगे. ये जो पीरियड्स है ना, ये सब मिक्सअप हो रहे हैं. ये पीरियड्स को अलग अलग करते हैं, ये पीरियड्स को अलग अलग करते हैं. कैसे करेंगे, देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट क्या हो गया, दिस वन इज एज पर इंडियन. ये तो हमारा हो गया इंटरनेशनल. बड़े लोग बड़ी बड़ी बात करेंगे हम, और क्या हम इंटरनेशनल बात नहीं कर सकते. ये इंडियन, ये इंटरनेशनल. इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू में फर्स्ट पीरियड में कितने प्लेसेस थे, 3. तो ये हुआ 3. लोग यहाँ पे नहीं, ये कलर चेंज करते हैं हम, ठीक है. ये हो गया बेटा 3. उसके बाद ये हो गया वंस पीरियड. देन क्या था बेटा, थाउजेंड्स पीरियड. थाउजेंड्स पीरियड में ये हो गया थाउजेंड्स पीरियड. देन क्या हुआ, लैक्स पीरियड. देन क्या हुआ, क्रोर्स पीरियड. हम बंटवारा कर दिए पूरा नंबर में, जितने भी पीरियड्स थे सब पीरियड्स को बंटवारा कर दिए, अलग अलग कर दिए. वंस का पीरियड वंस, थाउजेंड्स का थाउजेंड्स, लैक्स का लैक्स, क्रोर्स का क्रोर्स. ये सबका एक छोटा छोटा घर है. यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल में क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट 3 पीरियड्स वंस टेंस 100, वंस फर्स्ट 3 प्लेसेस वंस टेंस 100 वंस पीरियड. सेकंड 3 प्लेसेस अनदर क्या है, थाउजेंड्स पीरियड. नेक्स्ट इज मिलियन. चलो इनका भी हम घर अलग अलग कर दिए. ये हुआ वंस टेंस 100, थाउजेंड 10,000, लैक्स 10 लैक्स, क्रोर 10 क्रोर्स. ये हो गया वंस टेंस 100, थाउजेंड्स 10,000, 100,000, मिलियंस 10 मिलियन, 100 मिलियन. सो नाउ पता तो लग ही गया होगा ना. अच्छा, तो कोमा की तो बात कर रहे थे, नंबर नेम की बात कर रहे हो, तो करो ना ये सब घुमा फिरा कि क्या घर 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 खेल रहे हो. ठीक है बेटा, बताता हूं ये क्या है. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ कोमा. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ कोमा. हैंड राइटिंग देख रहे हो, वही. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ कोमा. क्या कोमा है, क्या है बेसिकली. ये क्वेश्चंस कम, दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन कम्स इन योर एग्जाम, दैट व्हाई वी यूज कोमा. बेसिकली बेटा बता, पहले बोलते हैं ना, पहले 3 नंबर को छोड़ के कोमा दे दो, फिर 2 2 2 2 के हिसाब से 2 नंबर 2 डिजिट्स छोड़ के कोमा डाल दो. नहीं, कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस इज वी यूज कोमा टू सेपरेट द पीरियड्स. We discussed places up to 9 places we have discussed though. Yes, places we have discussed. Then places के बाद we discussed कि कौन से प्लेस कौन से पीरियड को बिलोंग करते हैं. तो we discussed about periods also. 3 periods, 4 periods we discussed. So these are the periods as per Indian place value system. 1, 10, 100. This is one period. Then next 2 places, another period. 2 places, another period. 2 places, another period. Getting what I am saying, beta? Clearly समझ में आ रहा है. So again I am saying we use comma to separate the periods. So here we will use the comma. So the first comma will be using here. Wait. Yes, this is the number. So the very first period, first comma that we will use as per Indian place value system is here. Yes, after 3 digits. 1, 10, 100. एक पीरियड है ना बेटा, ये एक पीरियड को हम सेपरेट किए, फिर दूसरे पीरियड को सेपरेट किए, फिर तीसरे पीरियड को सेपरेट किए. यहाँ पे भी फर्स्ट पीरियड को सेपरेट किए, सेकेंड पीरियड को सेपरेट किए. ये हो गया वंस पीरियड, थाउजेंड्स पीरियड, मिलियन पीरियड. वंस पीरियड, वंस टेंस 100, थाउजेंड 10,000 इज थाउजेंड्स पीरियड, लैक्स पीरियड, क्रोर्स पीरियड. गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? नो कंफ्यूजन. यस, नाउ नंबर सीख गए, डिजिट से नंबर बना लिए, नंबर से इंडियन इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ लिए, कोमा का यूज भी वी केम टू नो, वी लर्न. नाउ द थिंग इज, कोमा के बाद नंबर नेम. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, वंस पीरियड को छोड़ के हाउ मेनी पीरियड्स आर देयर. सपोज एज पर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम, बेटा देखते हैं यहाँ पे, एज पर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम, दीज आर द yes, as per Indian place value system, these are the periods, no, ones period, thousands, lakhs and crores. So मैं बता रहा हूँ बेटा, always remember, ये भी आता है एग्जाम में कि वो कौन सा पीरियड है, और ट्रू फॉल्स में पूछा जाता है बेसिकली कि वी यूज द नेम ऑफ पीरियड्स व्हाइल राइटिंग द नंबर नेम. यस, वी यूज द नेम ऑफ पीरियड बट नॉट द ओनली एक्सेप्शन इज वंस पीरियड. जैसे कि if I have to name this particular number, if I have to give a number name, what I will say, it is 97 crore 84 lakhs 35,961. Clear? Again I am saying 97 crore 84 lakhs 35,961. तो सर आप तो क्रॉस पीरियड के लिए क्रॉस का नाम लिए 97 क्रॉस, लैक्स पीरियड में भी लैक्स का नाम लिए 84 लैक्स, 35,000 थाउजेंड्स पीरियड में भी 35,000 का नाम लिए, 961 में 961 वंस क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो आप? नहीं बेटा, इन व्हेनेवर वी आर राइटिंग द नंबर नेम, we use the number name, we use the periods, we use the name of the periods, but the only exception is we do not use the first period, that is your ones period. So here also this one is your million period, this one is your thousand period, this one is your ones period as usual. So the name of this particular number name will be 978,435,961. If anyone is facing any difficulty, just let me know. 978,435,961. Clearly able to understand beta? Number name, as per Indian, it is 97 crores 84 lakhs 35,961. It is 978,435,961. So basically we are taking the name of the period, the period's name we are taking, then only we are writing the number name. So now I am expecting, I hope that all of you will be able to understand, all of you will be able to write the number name of any of the given number. Simply beta, you have to use the name of the period, you have to take the period, you have to identify the period. To identify a particular period, you need to know what are the places, what are the periods. Getting what I am saying? All of you are able to understand what we are discussing better? Yes, we understood. Now this same number 9 7 8 3 4 5 1 2. Now we are discussing the concept. I hope it is visible. Okay, so now we are discussing the concept of place value and face value. What we are discussing beta? We are discussing place value and face value. We are discussing place value and face value. Suppose let's take the places as per Indian numeration system. This is your place value, this is your this is your face value, this is your place value. Whenever I teach this place value and face value or face value and place value, I used to give one example that suppose for my mother I am a son, for my teacher I am a student, for my students I am a teacher. So in my school I am a teacher, at my home I am the son of my parents or anything like that. So my value gets changes, my value change hota hai as per the places. Getting what I am saying? I am the same person, मैं वही same हूँ. मैं किसी के लिए I am the son, किसी के लिए I am the student, किसी के लिए I am the teacher, किसी के लिए I am the friend. Getting what I am saying? But my face remains same. My value gets changes with respect to the places. School में अलग, घर में अलग, दोस्तों के साथ अलग. Getting what I am saying? That's my place value, but my face remains same. So can you say for the place value of 2 will 2, face value of 1 will remain 1, 5 will remain 5, 4 will remain 4, 3 will remain 3, 8 will remain 8, 7 will remain 7, 9 will remain 9. Getting what I am saying? The value of my face remains same, but the place value will change with respect to the places. Suppose 2 is being placed in the first place, so it will be ones. 2 ones, 1 tens, 5 100, 4 1000, 3 10,000, 8 lakhs, 7 10 lakhs, 9 crores. Getting what I am saying? As per Indian place value system. वही सेम प्लेस वैल्यू अगर हम इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम के हिसाब से देखें तो चेंज हो जाएगा. 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000, 100,000 and million and 10 million. Getting what I am saying, beta? This is the concept of place value and face value. So I hope this particular concept, this place value and face value, all of you must have understood. Getting what I am saying? All of you are able to understand. I hope you are able to understand. So we have discussed these things. I have tried to fix few things. This is all we have discussed today. Go through this video और don't complain. सर टीचर लोग तो ऐसे होते हैं, बोलते हैं कि 1000 बार पूछो, हम वी आर रेडी टू डिस्कस 1000 टाइम्स, बट 2 बार के बाद 3 बार पूछो तो बोल देते हैं नहीं और नहीं बोलना है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप एक बार में समझ में नहीं आया तो सेकंड टाइम यू कैन वॉच. Getting what I'm saying? Third time you can watch. Still, if you are having any doubts, you just write it down in the comment box. We'll be discussing again. Getting what I'm saying? These are the concepts, beta, we have discussed. So let's sum up. क्या क्या हम डिस्कस किए बता देता हूं मैं आपको. टुडे वी डिस्कस्ड these things. फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस डिजिट से नंबर बना, स्मॉलेस्ट और लार्जेस्ट नंबर पढ़े. फिर एज पर इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम वी डिस्कस्ड एज पर इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम वी कंपेयर. हम कंपेयर किए किसको? इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम को. किससे? इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम से. और इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम को इंटरनेशनल न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम से. देन प्लेसेस और पीरियड्स पढ़े. किसका? इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम और इंडियन न्यूमरेशन सिस्टम का भी. व्हाट आर द प्लेसेस एंड पीरियड्स. ऑल्सो इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम. व्हाट आर द प्लेसेस एंड पीरियड्स. देन वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट their periods, how they are separating, how and which place particularly comes under which period. This is what we discuss. Also the use of comma. Basically we use comma to separate the periods. Then beta, another thing is this thing, place value and face value. Out of all these concepts, कोई भी concept बेटा अगर समझ में नहीं आया हो, अच्छे से आप समझ नहीं पाए हो, तो you just let me know in the comment box. So this is a sequence. I told you ना, connectivity and sequence and visualization. These are the connectivity. Everything is interlinked with the next concept. Every concept is interlinked with the next concept. So these are the things. So I hope I tried to fix few things that I got the suggestion from my well-wishers. Like another thing is the height of this thing, that will be fixed it out. And one of my very good friend has suggested about that lighting things, that also we'll be discussing. And that fan of number 18 starting from the letter K, today he has suggested, sir divisibility जब पढ़ाओगे all the methods discuss करना, prime factor factorization जब पढ़ाना all the method discuss करना, prime factorization भी और divisibility भी. Don't worry बेटा, whenever next class we'll be discussing about these things. Divisibility, even odd, prime factorization, HCF and LCM, factors multiples. These things we'll discuss in the next class. So there, I hope कि many of the things will be resolved. So I hope I am clear on all the terms whatever we discussed. Let's meet. मिलते हैं next class में. Thank you. जय जगन्नाथ.